First of all, I've had my Whooleygan Rewards program for quite some time, and nobody has taken advantage of it. So I thought I'd do a little quick review of um, how it works, I guess. Let me go to the page here that I want to show. There we go. Hang on one second. I don't know why this is. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to go to this page first. I'm just going to share that screen here really quick. How to stream. I'm going to do this as a full screen so you guys can see it. The way you go into your Whooleygan Rewards account is you go to my account, which means you have to be logged in. Now, I'm already logged in, but if you click here at my account, I'm going to put that up on the screen here really quick. If you click here on my account and you're not logged in, it's going to ask you to log in. Now, if you do not have an account, or I created an account for you when you won something, but you have never gone into your account, you can, when you click on my account here, it will give you the login information, and all you have to do is reset your password to get in. But if you've never had an account, you won't be able to log in. So I wanted to show you here first. This is your dashboard. As soon as you log in, this is where you go. And if you have orders, you can see your orders here. If you have gotten patterns from me, you can click downloads, and your downloads are all here. You'll notice that I did a lot of testing here, so I have patterns in there. And it also tells you how many downloads are remaining. Now, when I was testing this, you see I only have 2 downloads and 1 download. I no longer do that, but when I was testing these patterns, I actually had a limit. Now I'm no longer limiting. So you see here, like Cloudberry and Morning Sunrise don't have that. So if you have bought a pattern when I was doing a limit on the downloads, I just want to let you guys know that if you ever need to download it, it says it has no more downloads left, let me know and I can fix that for you. Okay, but what I wanted to go down to is when you get to your account, you'll see at the bottom you have Whooleygan Rewards. And this is an overview of your rewards. Now I've been playing with it, so I have all these points so I can actually show you. So there's a couple things I want to show you first. Right here shows how many points you already have. And it also shows you here, I'm going to put my magnifier here just so that I can make things a little bigger for you. It tells you how you can earn your points. So you can place an order, sign up, refer someone who signs up, or celebrate a birthday. So if you've entered your birthday, you can actually, every year on your birthday, you'll get 100 points. You'll see right here, there's 100 points. If you refer someone, you'll get 100 points. Just when you sign up to my account, when you place an order, that's the only way you can get an account unless I created an account for you. You will automatically get 25 points when you sign up. And whenever you place an order, you get 1 point for every dollar that you spend. So I'm just going to go to my shop here for a second before we go back. So I'm just going to pull up a pattern here. And you'll notice whenever you go to shop, and everybody sees this whether they're logged in or not, with this product, you'll earn how many points? So this is a $7 pattern. So you'll earn $7 in Whooleygan Rewards for that. Now, if you guys are asking me questions, I'll come back and answer them because I can't see your questions right now because I'm actually on the screen. So I can move around. Okay, so I'm going back to the Whooleygan Rewards. I'm going to go ahead and drop this down. You'll notice I'm just clicking on this arrow here, and that'll drop it down. Then here's how you can earn rewards. If you have 250 points, you can get a $5 off coupon. If you have 500 points, you get a 10% off coupon. And if you get 1,000 points, you get 15% off. Okay. And that coupon works on an entire order. It doesn't work just on that one particular product. So if you order like 10 patterns and you have the 1,000 points, you'll get 15% off of all those patterns, just so you guys know. Okay, so that's the way, and you'll notice here I have over 1,000 points, and I did that on purpose because I want to show you something else. Okay, so up here where it says rewards overview, it says unlockable rewards. Okay, since I have over 1,000 points, I can choose between all three coupons. And so once you get to a certain number of points, you go to these unlockable rewards. So if I wanted the $5 or the 5% off coupon, I would click here on unlock, and I would get that coupon, and I could use it anytime I shop. If I saved my points to get 10% off, I would unlock that. And because I have so many points, I could unlock the 15% off right here. So you click that unlock and you say, are you sure? And you say yes. And so now it says your current coupons here instead of your unlockable rewards. So it automatically generates a coupon code here for you. So all you have to do is cut and paste that coupon code into your shopping cart, and it'll automatically take the 10% off. Okay. So here, underneath here is the recent loyalty history. And I just put in, I was doing testing the system in September, and I put 1,000 points in here. And then you'll see that a 15% off coupon automatically removed that 1,000 points. So now if you look up here, I only have 165 points rather than the 1,165. So it shows you everything that's happened. You can see here where that's not actually my birthday, but I celebrated a birthday. I got 100. I transferred when I said old system. I had 25 points on the old system when I transferred to this new system. So I brought everybody's points over. From the new website, I got 40 points from joining with doing all sorts of stuff. Got my birthday points. I did an import, but that's something different because that was just me behind the scenes. Testing the system, I added points, and then there's the 1,000 points. So if I were to take this coupon here, I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to go to my shop now. And let's say I'm going to buy Modern Metro here. I'm going to buy Modern Metro, and I'm going to buy Digital Pattern. Unfortunately, some of these are going to have a drop down, even though I only have them as digital. But if I view the cart and see, it automatically put the code in for me. So it took the $1.12 off already. Now, the one thing you have to know is that when you use a coupon, even though that was $7.50, you're only going to earn $6 because the pattern costs, a little over $6. So and I have sales tax because I'm in the state of Washington. So, but if I hit proceed to checkout, this is what I pay. So I wanted to let you guys know that is still available to you guys. And I know that there's a lot of you out there who have a lot of points that can get these coupons. So I want to make sure you guys know how to use them, and how to actually get that pricing off your order. Now, I didn't place the order, but when I placed the order, that 15% off would come out of here, and then it would show nothing until I have enough points to get one of the coupons again. So I just wanted to show you that to answer any questions you might have. I'm going to go over to here to see if there's any questions. Okay, so I'm back over in chat and nobody has any questions. Anybody have questions for me? Anybody realize that they had this program? I know it's been a while since I've brought it up, but I know a lot of people forget that they're there. Yes. And that's why I kind of brought it up again, because I wanted to be sure you guys remembered that they are there and that they are available to you. And even those of you who may not have bought anything, but gotten a free pattern, you're eligible because I created an account for you and you have a few points. So if you buy anything else later on, you'll be adding to the points. Now, oh, I forgot to mention there are certain things that the coupons are not good for. They're not good for classes, and they're not good for gift certificates, but I don't have gift certificates on the site right now because the software I was using had some issues, and I need to find a better gift certificate program. So, and they're not available to purchase the Crochet Crew either. So, but they're available for purchase on patterns and books, both print and digital patterns and books. So make sure you check it out. Comment here really quick. An observation, I am new, so I don't have a lot of point, but personally I would keep saving until I got up to 10,000. It also takes quite a while to get to any level when you buy items at $7 and $8. Yes, that is true. That is true. However, every once in a while, I do a double points thing, and every once in a while, I will do a class or something. Well, all of my classes offer points. So, for example, I'm going to go back to this page, and I'm going to go to my shop my shop again. And I'm going to go to my classes, and I'm going to do my cuff down socks class here really quick. And I'm going to share the screen really quick for you. Because it popped me off, I can't. Here we go. Share. If you look at my cuff down socks class, for $125, you're going to get 125 points. Okay. If I were to do a double points during the time I'm offering this class, you would get 250 points. So it's not just patterns and books that are going to give you the points. It's going to be everything in the shop, with the exception of the Crochet Crew. And the Crochet Crew doesn't even go through my shopping cart. It goes through a membership plugin. So that's why you can't get points off those. But yes, Judy, your observation is absolutely correct. Also, if you saved to 10,000 points, you would only get one coupon. You can only use one coupon at a time. That's just the way the point system works. That's not something I set in stone. So you wouldn't have 15 times 10 off, because each one of those coupons can only be used by themselves. They can't be used in conjunction with any other points, just so you know. That's something to think about. Okay, so Judy says, if we join the Crochet Crew, do we get points? No, that does not give you points because it works through a membership plugin rather than my shopping cart. There's no way for me right now to be able to hook it up to my shopping cart to give you points, unfortunately. So you won't get points. Oh, Judy, okay, so you would save 1,000. Yes, that I would do too.